Hello and welcome to another video, and today we are at Alligator Creek, which actually used to be an old highway which was closed because of flooding, and now it's like grown over. We're actually on a bridge right now. That right there is Alligator Creek, and a bit of a terrible day, actually reminding me of the trails we used to ride in England because there's terrible weather and the cool trails. So we're gonna go have a little explore. This is actually going back to our Let's Go for a Ride episodes, where we just find cool little spots, have a little ride around and post short little videos. So it looks like a good spot. We don't really know much about it, but let's have a little look around, have some fun. All right, let's go have a play. I have a tendency of dropping bikes when I shouldn't. Can't tell if that's oh, that's very steep. Very cool, like an abandoned little marsh bit, and we are in Australia, so I'm not going to get too close to the water. A little croc jumps out and gets me. Very cool. Alright, so first 5 minutes. Anyway, first 5 minutes, very impressed with this place. You got very steep hills, muddy trails, just perfect stuff. Indicators come off. Bit of a pain. I think it's just a bolt, so it should be okay. Right, let's carry on, see what we can find. This is, woof, just a really cool little playground, really, just a dirt playground. You can just sort of, yeah, have some fun on your bike.